What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Chef Marie. I'm a personal chef. I'm also a culinary mentor. So if you're new here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you can get all the gems, all the knowledge, all the information that I give out for free on this channel. Today, we are talking about having systems and automation set up in your culinary business. I know a lot of people are probably like, why do I need this stuff? All I need to do is cook, worry about what the client wants to be able to deliver that to them and make sure the food tastes good. If you think like that, then you're in trouble, because as a chef, you're not only a person that supplies the food, make sure the food is supposed to taste good and things like that, but you also are running a business. You're not just a cook, but you're an entrepreneur as well. So you have to understand systems, automations in your business, because if you don't, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. You're going to miss out on a lot of money, and people are going to miss out on your services because you can't manually answer questions all day in the DMs, answer so many emails, text messages. You just simply can't do it all by yourself. So unless you have a team, then you need to set up some type of systems and automations. But even with a team, you need those things in place as well. So let's get into it. I want to teach you guys today about automation specifically. So what is an automation? I know a lot of you guys call a lot of different places like hospitals, doctor's offices, any other business that where you call and you are not speaking to a real person. There is an automated phone system in place where you press number 1 for English, press number 2 for Spanish, and then so forth with all the different options. So you can do the same thing within your culinary business. You can set up automations to where you don't have to manually reply to your customers, your clients all day long in a DM. You can literally use different tech apps and different systems that they have within apps that you are using to set up automations so that you don't have to do all the dog work, all the hard work, all that extra labor, all that effort that you have to be putting in when you could be giving that effort to your client that you're servicing. I know you guys are probably wondering like, okay, cool, I understand what the automation is. Now, how do I execute this? Cool. I'm going to give you guys the website where you can go to and actually set up an automation for your Facebook business page. So you can't do this for your personal page on Facebook, but if you have a business page on Facebook, then this is going to be so helpful to you. It will also allow you to connect Instagram and set up automations as well. That way they fire from both platforms, because you know Instagram and Facebook are connected. It's all through Meta, so the automations will work for both. So what you want to do is go to business.facebook.com. Hope you guys can see that. So you'll go to business.facebook.com, right? And so once you go to business.facebook.com, it will pull up as your Facebook business page, right? This is better to be done on a desktop. If you have a laptop, an iPad, a desktop computer, you're better off doing it on there, because if you do it on your mobile phone, you can still do it, but you have to pull it up within the desktop version where it's like the whole screen as it would look if you were on your computer. So the next thing you want to do is click on the button that says inbox. Then after that, there's going to be a button at the top. It says automations. And so once you click on the automations, it takes you into the automation section where you can set up several different automations for your business. Let's just say a customer is looking for your menu on your page. They don't see it. They're interested in knowing what items you offer, what services that you're offering, right? And you may be with a client right then. You may be with a wedding party or a bridal shower, baby shower, whatever the case may be. You can't respond back to them immediately, but guess what? Because you have those automations set up in place, Facebook is going to handle it for you. Instagram is going to handle it for you because it's automated, it's set up, and you don't have to worry about it. It's already done, closed. And even to take it a step further, you can set up automations where the invoice can be created and it can be sent over, and the client can just go ahead and pay it. You don't have to do any work. You don't have to go in and answer any questions because your automations have already answered those questions for you. So back to going into Facebook, the inbox, and then the automations, right? So you can set up a automation where if they want your menu, they can comment a trigger word, which will be something like menu or catering menu, catering service, right? And so what you'll do is you'll type in the automation name, which will, let's just say it's send the menu, right? So the next thing you want to do is there's a box that says trigger word. You'll type in the word menu. So that way when a customer inboxes you or asks you a question about where's the menu, can I see a menu? What options do you offer on your menu? Soon as they send that message with that word menu in it, it's going to automatically send them a link to your website or your landing page or wherever you host your menu. That way you don't have to send it over to them. I know you guys are probably tired of answering the same questions all day long in your DMs. People may ask, like, what are your business hours? There's also automation where you can set up that as well, where it will answer that question for your potential clients, people who want your products and services. So I hope you guys take this gem and go apply it to your business, because this can definitely be something that can take a load off of your shoulders, a load off of your hands, and your business itself. If you set this thing up today, you can start getting these automations activated and working immediately in your business. That way you are less stressed and some of the work is done for you on autopilot. So I hope you guys enjoyed these gems today, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.